Aduana last. Encho's delivery cleared away for a corner. Corner taken. Kelvin Obeng. Chance for Aduana. Onto the side post. Cleared away. Can they get it right this time? It's eventually cleared, but referee points to the center spot to indicate the ball crossed the line. And Aduana have the second goal. That's the corner taken by Encho. Kelvin Obeng tries to put it in. The header didn't go in. He hit the side post. Japan cleared it, but referee insists he had crossed the line. Kelvin Obeng's earlier effort didn't go. Then came this one from Mahama. Did Japan clear the ball off the line? Did the ball cross the line? It is Richard Mahama who scores the second.